In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulbs on a 2008 Highlander Hybrid. So you can go to the dealer and I believe they're about $30-something each per headlight bulb. So I wasn't going to spend $60 on headlight bulbs, so I went over to Amazon and I picked up some of these Hellers. They were about $7.80, I think. So the model number for these is H4-9003. So any bulb that has the style, it's the style of the bulb, you'll see it has the 3 pins sticking out the bottom, should work. And there's better ones, and I don't know if there's any cheaper ones than that. So let's start with the bulb on the left hand side, the passenger side. We need to remove this washer filler neck first to get to the bulb. You can squeeze these two little guys together here, and this should just pop up like this. I'll zoom back out here. So you can also reach down there and pull that little tube off. It just comes right up. And there you can see the connector to the headlight bulb. And there's like a rubber kind of sealer. So you just simply grab that connector and you just want to kind of wiggle it around and it should just come right off. So grab that rubber boot, kind of wiggle it around and just pull it off. And you might want to give that a clean, or I don't know, put some silicone on it or something. Here's the bulb. You can see there's a little metal tab there. You basically push it in and up and the bulb will just come right out. And it literally just drops out. So if you want to keep it, make sure it doesn't like fall on the floor, because it's kind of easy to, it literally will just drop out of there. And there's the old bulb. So I put a bit of this dielectric grease on each of those metal tabs there, and this is to keep the connectors watertight and also stop them corroding. And do yourself a favor, get yourself a big tube of this stuff rather than buying each little packet that costs, I don't know, 10, 20 times more. So on the driver's side, you'll need to take this hybrid Synergy drive cover off, and you just basically yank on it. It's got some little tabs and it will come right off. So we can see here with the power of the new macro mode on my phone how the low beams actually went first. You can see there's a little reflector there, that little coil. You can see part of it in the bottom right hand side, and that's the part that goes most of the time because you have daytime running lights with these cars, and these things are on basically 24/7. Another little tip is keep the bulb that didn't blow. These things rarely blow simultaneously, so keep the one that didn't blow as a spare, and then while you're waiting for Amazon to ship your discount bulbs, which you won't get the same price as the parts store, you'll have a bulb to use. So put the new bulbs in, went on a little road trip, and we came back. I noticed it's about a week later that one of the bulbs was out, and you can see here it's basically blown. You'll see a bunch of like debris in there, and kind of it's cloudy and stuff. So it's not a very good sign for Heller and their quality control. So I went back on Amazon. I bought some inexpensive bulbs by Philips. I bought these guys, so we'll see how long they last. But as people say, there is something to be said for the original equipment bulbs, the $33 ones from Toyota that last, I don't know, 5-6 years compared to these. The last ones that I put in was Sylvania or something, and they lasted about a year. So I don't know. Time will tell.
And if I die in your arms, could be a smile on my face. Could be a smile on my face.